Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. When s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. We have e to the power of 0, you got about number 1. Number 1 minus 1, you got about 0. Tan of number 0, you got about 0. So we have 0 over 0. Now we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. The integration, first the derivative of e to the power of s, you got about e to the power of s. Number 1, this is about the constant, you got about 0, so we have e to the power of s. First the derivative of tan s, you got about secant of s squared. And now we can put number 0 cone here and here. And we have 1 over 1 square, and you got about number 1, and this is the final answer. Question number 2, when we put number 0 cone here, here and here, this one we have 1 minus 1, you got about 0. Ln number 1, you got about 0, so we have 0 over 0, so we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 2e to the power of 2s minus negative number 2 e to the power of negative 2s. This one we have 1 over s plus 1. Negative negative, you got about positive number 2. And now we can put number 0 cone here and here and here. So if we simplify, and we have number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.